Well, hi everyone, different design today, and I'm going to be showing you how to, with your moulds, do a different flower on there. So when I've shown you this, I will show you this first. So this is a clear. I'm going to be using turquoise from Organics, which is there. That's a own glitter mix, and I'm going to be using Uniquenailz white to show you how I do that particular flower. So I'll just move these and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got wipe off solution in there. I'm going to use a small brush. I've got a polythene bag and the actual mould, which is silicone, and I'm going to put some of the gel on there. That's that. Make sure your mould is clean, and when you're going to be doing this, you need, because this is quite deep, you need to get into all those crevices. So if you start off by actually pushing it in to the middle, we don't want to get air bubbles in either, and where any of the design is deep, make sure that you really dig it in there and fill it. Don't overdo it, but fill it. Then when you look on the other side, you can see if you've missed anywhere. So I've been asked about this before, about curing time. It varies. I start off with 60 and then just lift it a little bit. If it's still a little bit runny, put it back in and keep doing that until it's cured. So what I'm going to do now is cure that and I'll be back. So this one I've done for 120 seconds. So bend it over a little bit so that it lifts up. Now what you've got to do is lift it up gently, and if you look underneath, if it has cured properly, but be gentle with it because it's quite soft. Because what I like about using the gel is you can bend it to your nail. Now look at that. That is perfect. And for a lot of people that can't do flowers with acrylic, this is an ideal way of doing them because they come out so well. So what I've done, you can use any colour, as you can see. So I've used a dark blue and a white. And this one, now these are the new silicone ones that are coming out. This is from Born Pretty. And the leaves now are curved on there, so they're not flat. Don't know if you can pick that up on there. The lines down the middle with the veins, which is absolutely beautiful. Like I say, you can use any colour you want, any pattern you want, but these now, these are beautiful. They're only thin and you can really bend them. Well, I think that's it for that, so I'll get on with the design. So there she is, all finished. And like I say, for people who have difficulty in making flowers, then this is the ideal way to do it. So easy to do. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!